Through the door we learn and see. Every time has history.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I wonder where my magic closet will take us today. And this time, I'm not alone. My friend Theos is coming with me.
Today, Olivia and Theos are about to travel far back in time to discover one of the most important inventions ever made, an invention that changed the world forever, the wheel. Around 3500 BC, in ancient Mesopotamia, people invented the wheel. But at first, it wasn't used for transportation. It wasn't for carts or wagons. Instead, it helped shape soft clay into beautiful pots. This early invention was called the potter's wheel. And even though it looked simple, it would soon change the world forever. Soon, people had an amazing idea. What if the wheel could help move heavy things? They placed round wooden wheels under carts, and something incredible happened. Heavy loads rolled smoothly across the ground. What once took many people to carry could now be moved with much less effort. The world was beginning to roll forward.
So the wheel helped civilizations grow.
Exactly. It helped connect the world.
As the wheel became stronger and better designed, people had another big idea. What if animals could help pull carts with wheels? Soon, horses and oxen were guiding wooden carts across dusty roads. Travel became faster, trade became easier, and cities began to grow. The wheel was no longer just an invention. It was helping civilizations move forward. The wheel didn't just move carts. It inspired amazing new inventions. Soon, people created gears, wheels with teeth that fit together, helping machines move in powerful new ways. They also built water wheels along rivers. The flowing water made the wheels turn, and those turning wheels helped grind grain into flour.
That meant more food for families and growing communities.
The simple wheel was changing the world.
It helped farmers grow food, builders create cities, and people connect with one another. The wheel didn't just turn, it turned history. Thousands of years later, wheels became part of one of the most important modern inventions, the car.
Long, long ago in ancient lands, a simple idea shaped by hands, a circle carved from solid wood, rolling farther than they thought it could. From dusty roads to city streets, it carried harvest, stones, and wheat. A tiny change, a giant start, a rolling circle, work of art. Round and round it changed the way people live from day to day, moving faster than before, opening every door. Round and rolling through time, from wooden carts to a future that shines, turning dreams into reality, moving the world for you and me. Round and rolling, can't you see? A simple wheel made history, from the past into tomorrow, driving hope beyond all sorrow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Steam trains racing down the line, factories buzzing all the time, engines roaring, cities grow faster than the winds can blow. Then a car began to rise with spinning wheels and bright surprise. Gas and gears would lead the way, changing how we live today. But the story didn't end. New ideas began to blend. Quiet power, clean and bright, charging up with beams of light. Around and rolling through time, from iron wheels to designs refined, electric sparks begin to glow, helping our whole planet grow. Round and rolling, strong and free, innovation's melody, from the past into tomorrow, driving hope beyond all sorrow. What will the next big idea be? Maybe it starts with you or me. A simple thought, a tiny spark that lights the future in the dark. Ooh, 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 ooh. Round and rolling through time, from ancient roads to a world so bright. One small circle showed the way, and it's still rolling
Olivia and Theos, it's time to go home. But remember, even the smallest invention can change history.
Something so simple made such a big difference.
Yeah. The wheel really moved history forward.
Bye, my friends. See you on our next magical adventure.